How to fix Telegram only send message to mutual contact issue. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix Telegram only send message to mutual contact. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Telegram with your account. Alright, so after you open the Telegram and if you are finding the error message like you can't message the contact, only mutual contact can message this contact, this means that the person you are trying to message has restricted messages to a mutual contact, so you are not in their contact, or in some case they are not in yours. Sometimes your own privacy settings may be the cause of these problems, so to fix that you can manually follow this procedure. On the first one, you can as usual tap on the option pencil icon just at the top right corner. Okay, so from here tap on the option new contact, and from here you can easily enter their name and phone number, and after you enter their name and phone number tap on the option save, and after you save or create new contact, your problem might be solved now. And if you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just back from here, and from the section again tap on the option setting just at the bottom right corner. Okay, so from the settings section you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option privacy and security. Alright, so from the privacy and security you'll have to scroll down and go with the options like messages, and from the messages section make sure that you have allowed the options like everybody, and after you allow this messages section to everybody, your problem might be solved now. And if you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just ask for the another person to add you on Telegram, and after you ask them by another platform, your problem might be solved now. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.